The wireless fire alarm equipment market is continually evolving, and new products are being brought to market to improve the flexibility of wireless fire alarms. One such product is the upgrade of the Hyfire wireless interface unit, called the Translator module. The purpose of the Translator is to interface the wireless fire alarm devices such as detectors, manual call points, sounders, input-output units to the detection circuit, or also known as the loop. The wireless devices speak to the Translator, and this module speaks to the fire alarm panel. The older Translator could accommodate 32 devices according to the strength of the radio signal. Therefore, if you had a large system, you would need to increase the quantity of the translators to accommodate the amount of devices per the design. Furthermore, as stated, the translators would have to be wired to the detection loop to cover the building you are protecting. However, as of this year, Hyfire has released a new upgrade of the Translator. Not only has the amount of wireless fire alarm devices increased from 32 to a much larger capacity of 127, but the module is also dynamic. You may be asking the question, what is a dynamic translator? The dynamic feature of the module allows the radio signal to have more than one pathway back to the base station. Therefore, if the radio signal's path is blocked for whatever reason, the dynamic feature of the translator will reroute the radio signal back via an alternative route. In the past, a blocked or interrupted signal would have initiated a disconnection fault. However, with this new feature, a disconnection fault will be a very rare occurrence if the fire alarm designer makes full use of the dynamic technology. Why not contact our office on 0208 541 5646 or visit our website on www.firesystems.co.uk and complete our contact form.